All right, it's December the 7th, 2024. I'm here with Jared and Preston. It's about 30 degrees here.
I didn't even realize that like that got it's like bad off too. I must have done that at West Point. You got tools? I got tools. Check your lower bolt and your axle. The chances are that those days he's gonna move you next time you drop it.
Oh, mud, it's frozen. That ground is frozen in some places.
Yeah, I hit the gas. I was not sideways, but I was just like. So this section has easy hard. The hard section is not super hard when it's dry, but when it's frozen, I might not get no traction. I might go the easy route today. My fingers up hitting from my throttle. I get some dexterity back.
Oh yeah, that's what I do with the mower when it's cold. That's a good hand warmer. So somebody lost 2 tool patches and a knife on the trail over here. So I'm gonna make sure to turn this in to the office in there, because somebody's probably missing these. I know that I would have wished somebody would have turned mine in, but who knows where they are. I'm picking up tools all over the trail.
Whose tools you find? Was it your old tools?
No, but I'll turn them in because I wish somebody had turned in all mine.
Pretty nice too, I found.
All right, so I found tools, and this is the same tusk bag that I had that ripped out.
Wow.
And I didn't know they were Jared's tools. These things are cheap. I don't recommend them. What do you got to say about that? You're over there looking at it you're just like looking at him. You're like,
I can't believe that. I've had this.
yeah. So mine ripped right here. And not only did I lose
out here, it's because that perimeter trail's jarring.
Yeah.
It's ripping it.
I had my bag was brand new. I had had 2 sets of tusk tools, and I had my OEM KTM toolkit. It's all gone.
It'll get ripped into the seam.
Yeah.
Huh.
All right, let me check mine, because
Well, I guess if I get into a ram.
no, mine's still good.
I went to grab brake, there wasn't nothing there.
What happened?
That freaking plunger came out. Do you have an easy access 8 crescent wrench? I have them in my bag, but I'll take a what happened?
A crescent wrench? No, let me.
Hit front brake, there wasn't nothing there. Man, that's scary. What you look for?
Holy moly! We can rebuild the engine with you around.
Shoot, when we still raced carts, I had a 24-foot trailer. And it was a rolling race shop.
Oh, come on, you piece of crap. I can't believe that come loose. That's what it is.
Shoot, I had...
You bet you never guess what brand these are.
Tusk.
Are they?
Are they Tusk?
Yeah.
Tusk, what's going on?
I think those are ASV. You there?
Backed out. I went to jump that tabletop. I needed front brake to get
What's
my...
up?
I was like wheeling. I went to grab brake to, throw my front end back down. There was nothing.
He didn't have squat.
No, I just did plunger completely missed. The lever just went to the handle. Come loose.
Oh, I bought the matching for this, for the clutch lever, because I was going to put a full one back on here. And it immediately broke. I literally had to, I was at the Ridge. I had to go in there and buy a whole nother random universal clutch lever to finish riding. I was so pissed